So first up, we have an image you may recognize from our promotion. This work is by Kathryn Hernden called Sunset on the Digital Strip in acrylic and thread on canvas. And Kat is here with us tonight. So Kat, I'll turn it over to you.
Thank you. So my name's Kat Hernden. I'm an artist working out of Globe Studios in downtown Kitchener. This particular piece is made, like most of my pieces, using acrylic. I paint the canvas first, and then I hand sew embroidery thread over top of it. It's unique, this particular one, in that I matched the thread to the paint colors. Normally when I sew over top, I use a very kind of bold or contrasting color, so this thread pops out. But in this one, it's almost imperceptible, but until you go up close, then you can see that it's hand stitched all the way through. Yeah, there you go. So the inspiration for this one, well, for the stitching pattern, comes from, like a lot of my work, Islamic tile patterns or sacred geometry. I find there's endless inspiration in both of those. And I like how you're sort of taking like a traditional fine arts medium like painting and then adding this sort of craft element to it, which is the embroidery. And I also like how the thread adds a human or sort of feminine touch to the canvas. That, like, a lot of my work is very geometric and precise, and then the thread, though it looks kind of precise, is not. There's all these sort of little slight imperfections and sort of things that give it a human quality, like the artist was here, and those are things I really enjoy when I look at other people's art. So yeah, that's sort of the thought process behind that particular piece.